Good morning, everyone. I think I need to make this video at this point in time. I think it's high time I speak out. I need to apologize to some few people and make it clear here that I am not saying that there are no fake men of God. There are many fake. And I think it will be unwise for me to categorize all of them to be fake because of the few bad eggs of which it is found in every religion, both in Islam, both in tradition, and any other religion you can make mention of. There must be a bad egg, and for that reason, I have decided to apologize to some people I feel I have, offended maybe by my words, and I'll start by apologizing to our father in the person of Bishop Geoffrey Ona and our brother Ibukobi and brother, that is a Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. There are numerous of them, but I'll just mention few of them that I think I have really called out because of Matthias Ezeaku. Who I later found out that he's not actually preaching peace. I think it's high time the whole Southeast come together and work in one accord and stop using religion as a yardstick to pursue our foolish, selfish interests, just like Matthias is doing, using religion to create enmity, using religion to bully people, using religion to advertise one's personal interest without looking, without considering the effect of his activities and his actions on the populace, on the ignorant people following him. So I need to say this. I want to advise Nigerians, Igbos, my brothers, don't allow Matthias to use you against your own brother. He's only pursuing his selfish interest, and you should not allow yourself to be used by him. I only mentioned few people I need to apologize, but if you have been offended by my previous videos, I think it's high time I tell you sorry. Akuzion, I've called you out of my TV. Lots of you out there that I've actually called out in my previous video. I said my apologies. Find a place in your heart to forgive me and let's move on as brothers. And for those of you that are still following Matthias, you better think deep and find out that this man is not actually fighting for you. Rather, he's fighting for his selfish interest. I don't know what he stands to gain at the end of the day, but be careful not to fall victim of Matthias' trick. Thank you and remain blessed.